following a healthy lifestyle might appear to be quite difficult. Advertisements and experts all around you appear to offer contradictory advice. However, living a healthy lifestyle does not have to be complicated. All you have to do is follow these 5 easy principles to achieve maximum health, decrease weight, and feel better every day. 1. Do not put toxic things into your body. Many things people put in their bodies are downright toxic. Some, such as cigarettes, alcohol, and abusive drugs, are also highly addictive, making it hard for people to give them up or avoid them. If you have a problem with one of these substances, then diet and exercise are the least of your worries. But an even more common problem today is eating unhealthy, disease-promoting junk foods. If you want to gain optimal health, you need to minimize your consumption of these foods. Probably the single most effective change you can make to improve your diet is to cut back on processed, packaged foods. When it comes to specific ingredients, added sugars are among the worst. These include sucrose and high-fructose corn syrup. Both can wreak havoc on your metabolism when consumed in excess, though some people can tolerate moderate amounts. In addition, it's a good idea to avoid all trans fats, which are found in some types of margarine and packaged baked foods. 2. Move around and lift things. Using your muscles is extremely important for optimal health. While lifting weights and exercising can certainly help you look better, improving your appearance is really just the tip of the iceberg. You also need to exercise to ensure your body, brain, and hormones function optimally. Lifting weights lowers your blood sugar and insulin levels, improves cholesterol, and lowers triglycerides. It also raises your levels of testosterone and growth hormones, both associated with improved well-being. What's more, exercise can help reduce depression and your risk of various chronic diseases, such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and many more. 3. Sleep like a baby. Sleep is very important for overall health, and studies show that sleep deprivation correlates with many diseases, including obesity and heart disease. It's highly recommended to make time for good, quality sleep. If you can't seem to sleep properly, there are several ways you can try to improve it. Don't drink coffee late in the day. Try to go to bed and wake up at similar times each day. Sleep in complete darkness, with no artificial lighting. Dim the lights in your home a few hours before bedtime. 4. Avoid excess stress. The way you feel and how you think is also very important. Being stressed all the time is a recipe for disaster. Excess stress can raise cortisol levels and severely impair your metabolism. It can increase junk food cravings, fat in your stomach area, and raise your risk of various diseases. Studies also show that stress is a significant contributor to depression, which is a massive health problem today. To reduce stress, try to simplify your life, exercise, take nature walks, practice deep breathing techniques, and maybe even meditation. If you absolutely cannot handle the burdens of your daily life without becoming overly stressed, consider seeing a psychologist. 5. Nourish your body with real foods. The simplest and most effective way to eat healthy is to focus on real foods. Choose unprocessed, whole foods that resemble what they look like in nature. It's best to eat a combination of animals and plants: meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, as well as healthy fats, oils, and high-fat dairy products. If you're healthy, lean, and active, eating whole, unrefined carbs is absolutely fine. These include potatoes, sweet potatoes, legumes, and whole grains such as oats. However, if you're overweight, obese, or have shown signs of metabolic issues such as diabetes or metabolic syndrome, then cutting back on major carbohydrate sources can lead to dramatic improvements.